All right, now, so let's go ahead and try to display the total of our card right here. Well, actually, if we go down at the bottom, we will see this section which is related products, but this is actually irrelevant right here. So I want to go ahead and I want to delete it. So if I go to the cart, and there is actually this section, so no, it's not that, it's this one right there. So this section is simply irrelevant, so I'm just gonna comment it like that. All right, so now let's go ahead and display the total, and it will be a very simple query. We will just get the submission of the products prices, right there, or the total in general based on the user ID. All right, so let me go to my controller, let me go to the cart controller. So I'm just gonna go total price equals, and I'm gonna go cart where user underscore ID right there is simply equals the auth. All right, the ID right there. All right, so I want to go ahead right there, and I want to go sum, and I want to get the submission of the price. All right, so I want to go ahead and I want to go get like that. All right, so if we save this, all right, let's remove this. Let me go right there, and let me pass the total price in, and I want to go to the cart. Let's see, let me go right there. So this is the subtotal, which is simply the total price, which is actually going to be our total price right there. So let me go ahead and let me pass this in. All right, so for the delivery is nothing basically, and we're not gonna do any kind of discount. So yeah, so I'm gonna also copy this, and I'm gonna go at the total. I'm gonna paste it like that. So let's actually save this. Let's see what we got. So call to a member function get on integer. So we probably will not need the get. So let me just save like that. Let me now refresh. All right, so it will be 0. You know why? Because we do not have anything inside our own cart. So let me go ahead and pick up a couple of products. So I'm just gonna go right there to the home, and I'm gonna go right here, local. Let me go 1 2 7/home like that. All right, so we will access the home page. So I want to go down at the bottom, and I want to click show on this. So if I click add the cart right there, all right, so this will be added to the cart. So as you can see, product added to cart right there. If I go ahead and I go to this product, let's also add this one. All right, so as you can see, product added to cart successfully. So if I refresh this, all right, so as you can see, now we have 2 products right there. One is $5.55 and one is $6. So as you can see, $11 right there, 55. So yeah, this is everything. So I want to also do like a little validation. And all right, so sorry for the pause, somebody was knocking on my door. Anyway, so again, I want to do some kind of validation. So I want to check, actually right here, I want to do an if statement and check if we have items in the cart or not. So I'm just gonna go if cart products right here, count is greater than 0, just go ahead and display the data. All right, so the reason I'm doing this, I want to simply like send out some alert to the user that he doesn't have any kind of items in his cart. All right, so if we have items right there, and this is what the count function will do, it will grab the number of items or elements inside this array. And if we do not have, if we have any, that means that, it's greater than 0. So we're going to display the products else. And this will be executed if we do not have any. We're just going to go and do something like this. We're going to go paragraph. I'm going to do a class right here. Alert dash success, for example, and I'm gonna go let's say you have no items or products in cart just yet. All right, so I'm gonna close this paragraph and I'm gonna end this if statement. All right, so save this. So of course it will not show up because right here we have items inside our own cart. All right, and I want to also do the same thing right there. So if we do not have any items inside our cart, I'm gonna go to the part where we're displaying the price, and I'm gonna go right here, or actually the part we're displaying the checkout link, this checkout link right here. All right, not the price. So I'm just gonna go let's see if we have any kind of products or elements inside this array, which is cart products. We're gonna go ahead and display the link. Otherwise, we're not gonna display anything else. Or yeah, we can actually go else. We can go something like let's see, alert dash alert again, and we can go success like that, and we will go you can't check out because you have no items in cart. All right, so if we go right here and go end F like that. All right, so save this. All right, so I want to go ahead and I want to actually delete these items from the cart, and I want to check if this is working or not. All right, so we can delete them from here, but I choose to delete them from the database. Maybe we will fix the image height and width while we're at it, before we even do this. So there it is. I'm gonna fix the width to be like 80, for example. Save this. All right, so let's also fix this. Can be like 100 and this will be like 80, for example. All right, so they're looking fine to me right now. So yeah, I want to go ahead and I want to delete these items. So check all, delete. So the cart should be right now empty. All right, so if we refresh this, all right, so as you can see, you have no products in cart just yet, and as you can see, you cannot check out because you have no items in cart. So yeah, the validation is working perfectly. So yeah, this will be it, and I will see you in the next video.